In the previous video, we have learned how to create a simple table using HTML that can be displayed on your web page. In this video, we will see how we can change the look of our table using the table attributes. So over here, as you can see that the first table, there is a caption which is my favorite places in the world. So this is a caption that you can add with the caption tag within the table. And you can see that the whole table has got a yellow color, that is a background color. And you can observe that the table is also having the border, and there is a border color as well, which is a green color. Similarly, on my right, there is a table which is having the background over there. There is an image that you can also display in the table as a background, and then border color is also here. So this is all what we are going to learn today in this video. So here is the whole code. I'm starting with the body tag. You know, the basic one is HTML, and then you give the head, and within the head you give the title. After closing the head tag, your body tag will start. So this is the h1 tag which is displaying. Today I will create tables in HTML and display on the web page is given using h1 tag here. After that, if you want to center it, you can do so using the center tag. Then I have started my table, and you can see that I have given a border of 1. So here I am changing the look of my table and giving it a border. So this is an attribute of table tag. I have added another attribute which is border color, so with which I can give the color to the border of your table. Then BG color, if you want to add the background color to your table. As you can see over here in the table, I have given the yellow color, so this is what I added with the help of BG color. So I think this is clear to you. Then caption. See, this caption, my favorite places in the world, is given over here using the caption tag, which is displayed above the table. So if you reduce it, simply you write my table and save and refresh your web page. So this is how your caption will appear. After this, let's see, then I have given over here, you can see that the places and country is displayed in bold and is centered. So how this is being done, though I have not used any center tag and bold tag, B tag here, it is just because I have used a TH tag. TH stands for table heading. So if you want to give the heading, means like if you make the table, you write roll number, name, class, so and so. So that you can give with that TH tag. But again, this is going to be a row in the table, so you have to add it using the TR tag. Right? First you add TR tag, then you add TH. TH, as I told you, is table heading. Then you can add whatever you want to display in the very first row as heading. Again, you have to close the TH tag. Second is country, and then you have to close the TR tag. Then you can start your actual table data. Again, by creating the table row. Then add your table data using TD tag. Then close the table row. If you want to add more, you just have to create another TR table row and then add the TD tag to create cells and table data in that. After completing this, I have closed my table tag. So here my first table ends. So let's see. Then you have to close the body tag and your HTML tag, right? So save and then refresh your web page. So you can see that this table is appearing over here. If you want to align your table in the center, you can do so. Now if you want to align your table, you can do so with the help of align tab. Let's see how we can do it. I simply have to add align attribute, and then where you want to align. By default it is in center left, so you can align it to the center or right. So just save and refresh your web page. So this is how my table comes in the center. Next is if I want to add background. So for that I have created another table. Okay, so over here again I have given the border. I just change the border to 2. Let's see, and let me change the border color to blue. And I have given a background picture over here. So make sure that you have saving the table HTML document and the picture in the same folder. So you can see that this is the table which I'm creating right now, and the picture which I'm using is BG pic is also in the same folder. So make sure they resist at the same location. It will be easier for you to use them. Otherwise you have to give the whole path. So I have added the border color which is blue. Then I have added the background picture which is BG pic, and .jpg extension is a must. Then I can align as I told you in the center or right. By default it is left align. Then we can also define the height and width of the table using height and width attribute. Then I have just created, suppose if I'm not giving th tag, so how does this place and country will appear as heading? Let's see the difference. Save your HTML document and then refresh your web page. So you can see that place and country, they are not bold. They are not bold, right? They are not in center. So this is the difference. This is the use of using th tag. By default, it will make the heading bold and centralized. So you don't have to use the B and center tag again. Let's see if I want to change the height and width again, what it will look like. Try to use the image which is very having the color. Otherwise, if the color, your table is small, you are not able to see the background picture over there. In that case you just increase the height and width. So this is how you can see that picture or background is appearing in your table. This is what we have learnt about the table, how we can change the look of the table. There is more in tables, cost span, row span, where we can merge the first row or the second row, or we can merge the columns, and we can also make the spacing between the cells more or less, depends on whatever the area we want to assign to our table. We can use those 4 attributes that I'm going to cover in the next video, and we will also learn some attributes of cell tags so that we can see how the data appears in the cells. That we are going to cover in the next video. Till then, keep watching, keep learning, keep exploring, share, subscribe and comment. Do like.